What's good, guys? Welcome to our first video. I'm Logan.
And I am Tucker.
Yeah, pushing.
Featuring Grayson.
And that's Grayson.
Yeah.
We're gonna go over here to the stage
he's one of our
and
friends.
introduce everybody.
Okay. Hey, we already introduced us. Who goes first?
I do.
You, Tucker. No, I say Logan.
Alright, so what I want out of this channel, it's gonna be in the description of this video.
You can still say it, dummy.
Tucker, just go up there. What do you want out of this channel?
What I want out of this channel is everyone to like enjoy it and leave, and like if y'all don't like what we're doing, tell us what we can do to change, to like, you know, like get y'all to enjoy it and all that. We're not really doing it for the likes and views and all that. We're just doing it for y'all to enjoy. Alright, Grayson.
What do you want out of this channel?
I just want to help you guys and 6'7" become.
Alright. Let's get to doing what we were gonna do for the video. So we're going to
my speech.
Go to the haunted not mansion, but cabin. And
Guys,
get
we
the
don't
key.
need to go. We don't need to go to the haunted mansion. I have the key right here. Oh, okay.
Oh, actually, he already has the key.
Cap. Shit, no, he does. No, I said you do. I hear it. Get that thing away from me. I don't like that key. Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins. Is it bad that I don't have a...
Alright, let's go, guys.
It's gonna take me a long time.
What do you mean it's gonna take us a long time?
Guys, what's y'all's life? Logan.
Alright, I'm at the vault.
I'm here.
I think.
Tucker, where are you at?
I'm at the big Geary guy house.
Tucker, we're supposed to go to the vault,
supposed to go down there.
Tucker, you were supposed to go to the vault.
You mean this one?
Hey, do you mean this vault?
Yes, this vault. Oopsies.
Oopsie, I'm getting dragged under the map.
This makes me
Hey,
think of
Logan,
like Fallout or something.
Logan, go around, because there's a big black guy.
I know.
I'm just flying across the map.
Tucker, you are not making that jump, bro. I'm dead.
I just punched the dang wall.
Yeah, I did too.
I punched the wall.
I fell in the black hole.
Me too. It was very black.
I'm close to the end, so I'm gonna probably grab the videotape and come back.
Where's the videotape player at?
I'm going in.
I'm not making this.
Logan,
Tucker.
do you copy?
Yeah, I'm right behind you, Tucker.
Our Flymobile would work great.
I know, but I'm not spending money on that, so I'm kind of like out of money. Hey, I will be releasing a video on our flying machine later this week. Oh, I'm good. What the fuck? I fell again.
I'm in it!
I died.
Hey guys, I think I died.
Tucker, I found a way over it, but I kind of messed up again.
How?
Alright, so you just gotta go up this little mountain right here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, you just keep going like up it instead of turning. Right?
This one? Like right here?
Yeah. Hey, you dropped your snowboard.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's actively sliding
Where?
down the mountain.
No, it's right here. I thought 6-7 went in my inventory.
I don't think the channel likes it. You don't think the channel what? Won't like me. Goofball.
No!
What's
Okay,
up?
I'm in.
Made it to the end. Congrats. I will grab the videotape and come back.
Yeah. I almost made it to the end, but then I didn't.
Hey, I don't think Logan made it to the end. Guys,
Tucker, I don't think you did either.
up, cause I got the tape and we're gonna go down there and...
What'd he say, Tuck? What'd he say?
I don't know.
Tucker, I'm standing right next to you. You don't get to speak into it.
I don't know.
Oh no. Oh no. No. So wait, where do we like read the tapes at?
It's that OG man.
Alright. I've got like 3 tapes in my stash, by the way.
So we didn't have to do that?
No, it's different tapes, not the one that's down there.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to OG map right now.
Guys, I just flung out of the map.
And died.
Nah, I climbed back up.
I keep seeing where you've used that heart.
Yeah, it's really helpful, and I'm at 1 HP.
Dude, that's how nice this map is. Yo, Tucker. Yo, Tucker. Where's Tucker?
I have no clue. I need...
Yo,
help.
Tucker, you here?
I'm good now. I'm at full health now.
Oh, his VR died.
Bruh!
Or he's just not in the server again.
Should we just play it?
Oh wait,
without
you
him?
have that type of tape. I have the other one, like
Yeah.
the small ones.
Cause they... Should we just play it?
Yeah, play it. Since he wants
Oh,
to
it's called the Real. It's called the Real, never mind.
What do we do with the tape?
Jimmy,
You know what the
Jimmy,
tape
stop!
is?
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy!
Got it!
Jimmy!
You know, this brings back a lot of memories.
Such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a
I
mystery
remember
bag?
when Lake was frozen.
God did for me. Link is broken.
Like when it was like OG, like not really OG, but back in the day.
Hey, buddy, you need to
Sorry, but I have to go.
What do you mean? No! What are you doing? No! I mean, just look at her. Why did I just get coins?
I don't know. I figured they just get us. Let's go.
What's this do?
So it's like it's like the past.
OG map question mark?
You gotta climb to get to the end.
How many? Did I just get company coins or anything?
You get coins every time you see like a black thing. Oh, I'm dead.
And you can't use any teleportation.
What way do I go from here?
You just gotta look until you get the. You gotta look for somewhere to go until you get to the end.
Anyone there?
Yeah,
Tucker,
we're
what
down here. Go to LG.
A dude came to our house.
Oh, what
You
came
can
to
do
his
something.
house?
A dude.
Where are y'all?
We're in the
We're
OG
down at
map.
OG.
Drop.
So-
Go in the TV.
Tucker's gonna crash out because he sucks at monkey movement games.
He's gonna crash out.
I'm gonna have
so
to go to
bad.
the top of the map probably.
Oh shit, I'm
Yo,
killed.
are you here? Are you here?
I fell to the bottom.
Oh, there's a respawn point somewhere close.
Alright, I saw it. Oh, I'm dead again.
Did you do this?
The music?
I almost
I almost just lost my heart gun.
How?
What? You lost your heart gun? I almost did. Woo!
I remember when I got my first heart gun.
I remember when I got it and I didn't know what it did.
I used to do like giveaways because people would subscribe to my channel. And I gave away like hundreds of them.
You know what these are?
I don't know. Because I used to be like a max prestige chaser.
I'm on my way down right now. Where about are y'all on the old map?
It's
We're
where
in
that
the
tape
TV.
player is.
Over? Over?
Shit, I was
What do
right
you mean
here.
over? Where about are y'all in the old map?
Yeah, that's the respawn
Remember
point
where
right
the
there,
tape player
people.
was?
No?
It's where that TV
Yo,
screen
Tucker.
was.
I think Tucker's dead.
The projector.
No.
I made it!
Woo! Flying without a board!
Jump to that rocket launcher. Yes. Why are you so laggy?
Me?
It's probably because you were far away.
Yeah, probably.
I think these are all the people who retired.
Aren't these comments or these retired?
Guys, make sure to comment down below if you
Retirements,
think
I'm
I'm a
pretty sure.
goofball.
Click it. Click the button.
Oh shit. Holy.
What just happened? Chat, what just happened? Wait, where did y'all go?
I don't know.
Hello? Do you copy?
Tucker, we just went through a cutscene. I'm sorry we couldn't answer.
Where are y'all?
We were
We're
just
at the
through a
top. We're coming down.
cutscene, Tucker. Said it
Let's
like
go
that.
down.
Do I
wanna
need to
go
still
back
go down
down.
there or just go back up?
No, stay down there. We're coming down.
You know, I feel like Tucker's a bit special sometimes.
I'm going back up.
Wait, special needs?
No,
Back to
yeah,
the
like
old
special
world,
needs.
here I
A bit
guess.
sped, you know. Oh yeah, he's gonna see this part in the video.
Back to the old world, here I guess. In the snap.
Tucker, stay down there.
Oh, I'm going right there. It's supposed to get me.
360.
Guys, I'm stinky now. I'm coming! What?
Tucker,
Where are y'all? What show's low? What show's low?
we can't go back through it because we have the disc is gone. Jeremy,
We already
can't-
went. We already went through it. So
So how do
can't
we
go
help
through
Tucker?
it.
He's buns at monkey movement games.
How are we gonna help Tucker?
I don't know.
Because we can't give him any weapons to help him. Like heart gun, teleport gun.
I miss this map, you know. But it's not like the original. though.
Grayson!
What?
Grayson!
I think he's deaf.
What,
What?
Tucker?
What's your low?
We can't go back
What'd
in
he
there
say?
because we already did that.
And where?
Yeah, because then you'll get copyright, or no, you'll get demonetized.
That's what I just said.
So when you edit, you gotta remember to cut that out.
Cut this segment out of the video, guys. Cut this segment out the video.
I don't think they even heard you.
I was talking to myself. The editor me.
I'm on my way! Where?
Yo, you think he's kind of deaf because he didn't hear me?
I don't know.
Wait, isn't that assist
What?
on the snowboard? Isn't it assist on the snowboard?
What are we talking about?
Monsters. Watch my new contraption conveil. Ah!
Oh, these are fucking useless.
Now let's tell you where everybody is.
It's not showing me where Tucker is.
Cause Tucker's not down here.
Are y'all at the old map still?
Yes, Tucker, that's where you're supposed to be.
No, we're not. We're at the start. What do you think?
Lord have mercy.
It's not our fault you're sped. He's gonna say
that
something
Hey, that's kinda nice.
What does that mean?
special. Special ed.
But you wanna hop on, another monkey movement game after this?
I don't know.
Wait, can you pull out a gun real quick? Yo, do you wanna see something cool? Wait.
Wait, what does that one do? You gotta drop the item, by the way.
Wait.
Wait,
What
does
if
that
I-
control that?
Yes. It teleports me. The teleport gun doesn't teleport though.
Anyone ready for some Christmas cheer?
Hey, let me see that. Let me see that.
Only. What?
Yes?
What?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what?
Hold up. I'll give it to you when I hear. Just give it back though. Okay, press it. Hold it. No pressing down.
Hold up, drop it, drop it. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, wait.
Teleport me. Here, can I have it back now?
Yeah. Do you only have one of these?
Yeah, I only have one. I don't have it unlocked.
I could unlock it. Isn't it only like 3?
It's probably, no, it's like 2.
2. I might get off in a minute. Since the video is basically
Wanna play
over.
Ugg?
Ugg? I don't know about Ugg. Alright, guys.
Wait, here, do you
I
have,
guess
like,
we're gonna
any
wrap the
weapons,
video up.
You have like any weapons I could test it on?
Yeah, I got a revolver.
Oh yeah, that'll help. You have to hold it though.
Try to cock it.
I can cock it.
Can you? That's cool.
Here, let me take
Oh,
it.
I can't even control it.
Here, have your.
No, you can keep it. I don't want it.
Where's
Alright, guys, I guess we're gonna wrap this video up for today.
Yo, Tucker, can you
Yeah.
get down here?